Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to make Wix website appear on Google. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first we'll have to open your site dashboard and now hover over on marketing and SEO and click on SEO tools and scroll down and click on general SEO settings. And here you will find this option, let search engines index your site. So all you have to need to appear on Google our site, just enable this toggle from here, and here you can see your site could appear in search results. So and turning on these features means your site can be indexed and will be eligible to display in search results. Click on show site, and this is how we can appear our Wix website on Google. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.